In this video, I'll guide you through how to enable dark mode in Google Drive on the web. If you spend a lot of time working in Drive, switching to dark mode can make things easier on your eyes, especially in low light environments, and it can also give your workspace a cleaner, more focused look. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Google Drive website. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to use. Once Drive loads, you should be looking at your usual list of files and folders, or maybe a shared drive if that's what you use most often. Now, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see several icons there, including your profile picture and a small gear icon. That gear icon is the settings button, and that's where you'll find the controls you need. Go ahead and click on the gear icon to open the settings menu. When the menu appears, you'll see a couple of options. Depending on your version and what Google has rolled out to your account, you may see something like Settings, Appearance, or Theme. What you're looking for is the option that refers to how Drive looks, so click on Appearance or Theme if you see it right away. If you only see Settings, click that first and then look inside the Settings window for an Appearance or Theme section. Inside that section, you should see the option to switch between different display modes. Typically, you'll see choices such as Light, Dark, or maybe something like Use Device Theme. To turn on dark mode directly in Google Drive, select dark mode. As soon as you do, the interface should change. The bright white background will shift to darker tones. Menus and sidebars will become dark grey or black, and text will be adjusted so it stays readable against the new background. Take a moment to scroll through your files and open a folder or two just to make sure everything looks right to you. If you ever want to go back to the light theme, you can return to the same appearance or theme area and switch it back at any time. Now, in some cases, you might not see a dark mode option in Google Drive yet. Google rolls out visual updates gradually, so if the appearance or theme setting isn't there, you still have another way to get a darker interface. If you don't see a built-in dark mode option, you can enable dark mode using your browser or your system theme. Many modern browsers support dark themes that apply to websites automatically. For example, your browser may have a setting like Use Dark Theme or Follow Device Theme in its own appearance settings. Turning that on often encourages supported sites, including Google Drive, to display in dark mode. You can also adjust your operating system's appearance. On most computers, there is a system-wide dark mode that you can enable in the display or personalization settings. Once your system is set to dark mode, supported browsers and web apps will often match that theme automatically, giving you a darker Google Drive without changing anything inside Drive itself. To wrap up, the main idea is simple. Open Google Drive, go into the settings using the gear icon, and look for an appearance or theme option to switch to dark mode. If you don't see it yet, rely on your browser or system dark theme to get a similar effect. With that setup, you can work in Google Drive more comfortably, especially during long sessions or late at night.